The preparation for the upcoming Northeast Olympics to be held in Meghalaya from the 10th of November 2022 is on in full swing. Various disciplines of the Games will be held in venues across the state, and participants from all the 8 northeastern states will be taking part in the Games. On the 3rd of November, the Minister of Sports, Bante Dorlingdo, had carried out site inspection of all venues and infrastructure which are being readied for the Northeast Olympic Games 2022 at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, MFA Ground, Shillong. Speaking to media persons, Bante Dorlingdo informed that all efforts are being made to ensure that all preparations for the Games are ready by the 6th of the month. The Sports Minister expressed his great joy at the ability of the state of Meghalaya to host the Northeast Olympic Games this year, and at the same time he encouraged all participants from the state to strive for the best so that they can once again bring laurels to Meghalaya through their victory in various disciplines during the Games.
Inspection hidalati tingkat pi ki perlok yang media kumju ki official jong department ubi dalang ringkat loman penti kena namar ba imkwa ba kini ka Northeast Olympic ka bangin sedang sputrik kandon kenu ke jing duna angin tai today na ta daw da jing sukhya minister in charge of sports awan ni mentas ngi jingo yang ini ki venue mom mentar jing kre namar ba kai bang ile gi kwa banlong ko machanai kata ka dei kai ban ngasu komen haba ile aman gi video ni ka jipun kre kala ya chacha ban yang scam shwa ka dei ka singi dalo ngilo ngin bro ka deadline wa akan rutrik baru ala di banlong ready kita ka dei kai ki bang i ki biang na dong sedong ban ngai scam ngatrai ki trai chacha ko ni kin la bat pendap aga por ko biang nakaliang ka jonga ada su komen ngi ba kia long shisha ki ba ya kemen hadu ta namang i ba kajing pun kre bar kajing thrang jungki wani yo shim bentai kani ka second Northeast Olympic ka long shisha ka ba pendap kajing so kemen iki khamtam bangi yo ban hosi na yang ka state de ka long shisha ka buram ya ka state bar khamtam ki nong shim benta khamtam ki nong shim benta ki jing la ka gi bo pher bar na ka liang jonga ngada kitbok kitwang bar ngakwa banong iki trai shitaw yakhon di bandan kata ka mensim yakhon ano bada ka juko por la da hidon shisha da ka mensim yakhon ba tre shitam ngathalai menta ka sin ka jela mekhlia kan yo ban khur shibun ki medal bat kan long job ni shisha ya ka mensim ba jing thrang joki namar kum kini ki mjuja ko kade ki ka ban su komen bang yo ban hus ya ka ni ka Northeast Olympic second Northeast Olympic bat ngi baro hi ya kemen lut baro ki nong song snong ya kemen lut ya kuk terang lut kwa bagani ka Northeast Olympic second Northeast Olympic kan long ka pecop debat ngada kitbok ke yang ya baro kamtam ki ba ya wan ban ya ai mensim ya kinong ila kai jungi nang ba kiru kin i ba kin nakaliang ka snong mo nakaliang kinong song snong mo nakaliang ka state nakaliang jela kiwan ban support bat mensim ki ban ngit kam pap in yo ka jingjob badan pura